Hello everyone, and today I am going to be teaching you how to use OBS Studio. OBS Studio is actually a very good software to use. I always use this when recording either Agario videos or Roblox videos, and I might use it for future videos as well. So basically what it is I'm going to explain it to you in parts. So the first part I'm going to explain is the sources, which is down here. Okay, let me explain all the parts in this first. There's scenes, there's sources, there's an audio mixer, there's the scene transition, then there's controls. So currently, actually, I never use scene and scene transitions. So today I am only going to explain the sources, audio mixer, and controls. Actually, let me start with the controls first. The controls are very easy. Basically, there's start streaming or there's start recording. Currently, I'm using OBS Studio to record this. So, yeah, I'm using OBS Studio to record this. So if I click stop recording, then you won't be able to see OBS Studio and the video will end, basically. So I'm not going to click stop recording, but instead there should either be start recording or stop recording, depending on, okay, so if you're not recording right now, then it should say start recording, but if you are recording, then it should say stop recording, like it does for me, and it should be highlighted. Start streaming, you need to have a separate thing. I don't really know what that is. All I use is start and stop recording. So that's if you want to record the screen. But sometimes when you first get into OBS Studio, you'll see that it's just this bit is blank. Like there's none of this. So this, like, yeah, the bit in the center is just blank. So there won't be this. You see this red thing that's highlighted? That won't be there. Instead, it will just be a blank screen. So now I'm going to explain sources. So sources is how we add a screen to this. So basically it will say something like, you have no sources, add one if you want to. I'm currently, I have a source. I'm not going to delete that, because if I delete that, then you won't be able to see what I'm doing. I'm going to add one instead. Yeah, I'm going to add one. Actually, you know what? Just a second, guys. Should I? No. Alright. So I'm going to add a source, and it comes up with these options. So there's audio input center, audio output center, browser, color source, display page, all of these. Image, slideshow, display capture, game capture, media source, scene, text, video capture device, window, and group. Alright. So the main ones that most people use are display capture, game capture, and window capture. Display capture and game capture are kind of similar, but they're different. Let me explain what each one of them does. So game capture is used when you're recording when you want to record a specific game, for example, Roblox. Display capture is used when you want to record the entire screen, like everything. So from the top right corner to the top, just everything on the screen, including all the tabs or the bit on the bottom, absolutely everything. Window capture is used when you want to record a specific window. So currently the window that I am choosing to record is Google. So I'm using display capture for this, as you can see by the symbol. So I'm recording my entire screen. A window capture, I'm not sure if it involves this bottom bar or the tabs up top here. I'm not sure, but I think it does. So window capture, if let's say I have two applications open. One of them is, let's say, voice recorder on computer. One of them is voice recorder and the other is Google. When I click on window capture, let's say blah blah, I don't know. So let's just say hello. Alright, I don't care. Spelling mistake. And then it comes up with window. So you can choose. Currently, I have OpenShot open, and I have Calculator open. I have Microsoft Edge open. Yeah, all of these stuff open. So I have to choose out of one of those. Yeah, you either have a choice to choose voice recorder, or like from my previous example, voice recorder or Google Chrome. So I'm just gonna cancel that. And hello. Okay, if you want to delete a source that you don't want, what you can do is right click on it, and it will come, and then it comes up with some options, and on that you can just click remove, and then yes. Alright, so the next source I'm going to show you is the display capture. Display capture, I'm just going to use hello. Oh god, alright, hello. And so some people have like displays where there's like one computer screen and next to it there's another computer screen, and they're like attached and the mouse can go over. But no, I only have, I'm recording this on a computer with only one display. So if you have more, that will come up with more. Like display 1, display 2, display 3, display 4, blah blah. I'm just going to click cancel once again. And I am going to delete hello. Actually. Remove. Yes. So the next one I am going to show you is game capture. So I'm going to click on game capture, and hopefully I spell it right this time. Yay, hello. Alright. Okay, you can either capture, in game capture, you can capture any full screen application, capture a specific window, or I've never used that, so I don't know what it is. And then these are other stuff, so if you want to capture the cursor, and I don't know what this anti-cheat thing is. Yeah, so the only one that I use is capture cursor, so because I need to be able to show you where my cursor is. Again, I'm going to click cancel. Oh, and also, if you have capture specific window, it comes up with another one saying window, and you can choose which one for that. You can so game capture is kind of like window and display capture combined into one. I'm going to click cancel here. So that is how. Oh, wait a sec. I forgot to explain the audio mixer. So the audio mixer. Oh, let me delete. Hello, goodbye. Alright, so the audio mixer is basically, so I am talking through, this is the input right here that's coming from outside the computer, and the desktop audio is the stuff that comes from within the computer. So for example, if let's say I was on a call with Mario in Hangouts, which I usually am for the recordings, yeah, his audio would be coming from the computer because his voice is coming from the computer. So his voice would be the above one, where my one is this one. So I can just mute him, or I can turn him down, or like, yeah. I've muted desktop audio, just in case something pops up. Yeah, but if I wanted to unmute it, I can unmute it. Also, I can mute myself, but then, I wouldn't be able to talk. So I'm going to mute myself now. As you can see, the bar is not going up. So right now it's moving in awesomeness, yeah, but like the bar is not moving. Also, I can turn myself down if I want to. But now you see how the bar is so low now, and it's barely coming up. So yes, that is the audio mixer. It's used for doing things. Also, there's settings which I've never really messed around with. Okay, and also you can change how this looks. So we can put the audio mixer up there or something. So you can put the audio mixer up there. You can just mess around with things. Oh wait, up here. Oh, I have to scroll. Yeah. I'm just gonna move the audio mixer back down to where it was. So that is how you use. Hey, doesn't this seem? Why does this? Alright, I'm gonna mess around with this later. I gotta talk to you guys. Okay, so if you want to learn more stuff about OBS Studio and some of the other controls, so like the scenes, the sources, the audio mixer, the scenes and the scene transitions, then tell me in the comments down below. And yes, thank you for watching this video. And also, if you needed any help or it didn't work out for you, then please hit that like button. Not like button. Tell me in the comments down below. And yeah, we are almost at 200 subscribers, guys. We need to get there, right? We're so close. Come on, we can do this. We are so close. All right. Yes, thank you to all of my subscribers. Yeah, it really means a lot. Yeah. I have completely destroyed this thing. I don't know what is happening. Why is it so high? Alright, I'm gonna muck around this later. Goodbye and see you in the next video. And I'm gonna click this button right here to stop recording. You might have seen me do this before, so I'm just gonna click it. Goodbye. See you in my next video.